All right, so from here, we were given this function, if f prime of x equals sine of x cubed, and they're giving us an initial condition that f of 2 equals 1, then they're asking us what f of 1 would equal. So let's break down what I've written here, this integral that I've written. If I'm looking to find f of 1, okay, I take where I started. So this blue 1, this is where I started. My y value starts at 1. And the time or the x value that it starts at is 2. So notice that 2 comma 1 came from my initial condition. All right. So at 2, the x value I started at was 2. My function already equaled 1. Let me repeat that one more time. When you start the integral at 2, the furthest point to the left is 2. My original function, already equaled 1, which is why I put the initial condition into this place. I'm integrating from 2 to 1. One more time. I'm integrating from 2 to 1 because I'm trying to figure out how much area has accumulated between 2, where my initial condition gave me information about, and going back to 1. So going backwards to 1, integrating from 2 to 1. Is it going to be negative? Yes. So that might be entering some of your guys' minds, is that 2 to 1 is the backwards integral. That's okay. The calculator will calculate that for me. I don't have to worry about that. If I was going to do this by hand, I would have to flip it and make it negative. But if the calculator is going to do it, it will figure that out for you. So you don't have to worry about that. All right. So the integral from 2 to 1 says I'm starting at 2. My initial condition starts at 2. I'm being asked information about what is happening at 1, at x equals 1. And so that's why I'm integrating from where I start to where I want to know information about. Does that make sense? And then it's of the function sine of x cubed dx. So if I take my calculator and I put this into my calculator, I get... I'm going to go 1 plus math 9, the integral from 2 to 1 of sine of x cubed dx. Sine of x cubed dx. And that equals 0.782. And that would be one of your answer choices. So again, just to repeat one more time. My initial condition started at x equals 2 and y equaled 1. So I'm adding that 1 here to say this is where I started, and I want to know how much has changed, either gained or lost, from 2 back to 1 of this function.